Today's guest on Tape Sessions is Mr. Luke Borms. Now Luke is a pretty interesting guy. He's from Belgium, which is this whole other country. He and his brother have a project called Catfish and Cotton. They did a session at Natchez Sound Studio, which is right across the creek if you go down that way, but we usually will just drive around the corner. I was lucky enough to be in there for that and watched as that was happening. Man, it was just awesome. So cool. He's a fantastic harmonica player. He's a really great guitarist and songwriter. His brother is a fantastic songwriter and piano player and singer as well, and guitarist, and they just good people, man. He's also an author in his newest book. I will link below. When Patterns Are Broken, New Worlds Emerge is the title. It's a really in-depth look at American music history from an outside perspective. This would normally be the time when I say something like, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm not going to say anything about that today. I know it gets old, you know, so I'm not going to say anything about it. Not even mention it at all. Nothing at all about it. Sounding good, man. Got a large diaphragm and small diaphragm condenser going into left and right preamp here, and I have a room mic. It's got a preamp in the main room and it's coming into this compressor. They all go to the board here, and I'm using the main outputs with the warm bus compressor up here, taking the main outputs and going into tracks 11 and 12 on the tape machine, and then in the Pro Tools. Which side is your good side?
I think I don't have any good sides.
That's what I was hoping. That would be easier.
And this is a 135, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, good. So I'm good. I mean, it's a good balance in between the guitar and the click. I can hear it. It's fine like it is.
Okay. I'm going to record that, and then if you're good with that tempo and everything,
Yeah,
I'll record it on the tape. About 5 minutes of that, and then we'll be ready to track whenever you are.
Good. I am. As good as it's going to get.
Yeah. That's the spirit. Click should be on track 15.
Perfect.
All right, good deal. Let me start you back at the top, and then we'll go with it.
Well, you think about it. I missed a few notes, but I think the structure is pretty. It's what it needs to be.
Okay. Do you want to listen to it?
I would love to.
All right, I'm going to start recording, so just jump in whenever you feel good about it. Let me back you up and we'll try it again. I'll make some adjustments and then record another test. All right, well, it's sounding better. Let me give it one more shot with the just a test run, and then I'll be ready to roll with it. Sorry about this, man. All right, I think we got it. You ready? Yeah.
And I think I don't made any mistakes in the structure, so yeah.
Cool. Let's check it out.
Well, 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 well. Well, 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 well. A old man came down the street leaning on his walking cane. He said, by the end of the day, there's only love or pain. At the end of the day, there's only love or pain. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That sounded good, man. You want to track it?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna just start recording. I'll probably make some adjustments this first time through,
Okay.
and I'll give you a chance to warm up too. So,
Okay, good. Perfect.
Yeah.
Cracked houses and broken men stop living before they die. Tender eyes can only see so much before they start to cry. So if you need religion, beer or wine, make it through the roller coaster of your life, that's fine.
Man, that sounds fantastic.
Thank you.
I think that might be the take.
Okay, cool.
Come check it out and see.
I will. So if you need religion, beer or wine, make it through the roller coaster of your life, that's fine. And if you would like to try bass and some harmonies, that would be great.
Okay.
Because I don't know how to do those things.
I can go track something now if you want to.
Yeah, sure. So if you need religion, beer or wine, at the hip. If you need religion, beer or wine, that's fine. The old man came down the street. If you need religion, that's fine. Old man. Cool. If you need religion, beer or water, the old man came down the street leaning on his walking cane.